On today's project, we're going to be using this brand new Iron Orchid Designs transfer called Whispering Willow. The artwork is done by Lexi Grenzer. Hey guys! So these are two little, they're from Walmart I think originally, but I found them at the thrift store on the weekend. And I've painted them with Fusion's Limestone. It's kind of been my go-to color lately. And just last week, we got these new amazing transfers in with IOD. These are the Lexi Grenzer transfer. And check out all of that awesomeness. 8 pages of adorable. So I just wanted to put some, I think I'm gonna go with some mushrooms on these cute little pots, because why not? Or maybe I'll go with flowers. No, I'm gonna go with mushrooms. So I'm just kind of picking, there we go, which ones I want. Here's my scissors. Look at the bunny and the little fox, it's so cute. Okay. Oh, that one's super cute too. Oh, there's so many things in here. Okay, let's just go with these ones. Going to cut them out so they're a little more manageable. And these little pots are super textured. There's all this little pitting and whatnot on there, so these are gonna be super cute, I think. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we are getting like a flash storm. It is just raining / hailing really hard right now. Let's go with this one. So I'm just kind of pressing it down. Sometimes these textured pieces are a little more difficult, but when you're using a smaller bit of a transfer, it all works out perfectly. Just trying to figure out what's the best way to get the best transfer on here. Hopefully my roof doesn't start leaking. Tends to leak right over this desk. Okay, I'm just using my thumbnail here. All right. Get that all burnished down. So you can see in here, I got a little bit of a crack where that curve is. I'm not super worried about it, but you can always go in there and touch that up. Or what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do a little bit of antiquing on this to make it look a little bit more rustic. Now, let's put this green one. Nope, let's use this blue one. on this side. Let me just flip this over. I have a feeling my ceiling's going to start leaking here right away. Let's put this one. This one will be a little bit easier because it's shorter. But you can see that the transfer is going on perfectly even over this rough texture on these pots. I'm just burnishing it down with the backing paper just to make sure it's all down. Those are so cute. All right, there's one. We will put these ones on the second one. I'm a huge fan of any of the licensed products that Lexi does for IOD. I don't know what's up with this throat. IOD, and she does work for Roy Cycled as well. So I have decoupage papers that have Lexi's art on them, and this is the new transfer with her art on it. Perfectly adorable. Now let's go with the little green one. Perfect. And there you go. A little bit of paint and some new transfers, and you have these super cute little flower pots. Now I just have to find some little plants to put in there. Hey. So I totally love how these turned out. It was a super quick, easy little project. Couple mushroom transfers on each one, and they're good to go. And these transfers are from the new Lexi Grenzer, her artwork, Lexi's artwork. This is the IOD transfer, Whispering Willows. It's awesome, love it.